Welcome back to the VST channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be testing the camera speed between, the phones. It's gonna be the S24 Ultra, also the Vivo X100 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So what is gonna be the deal? I'm gonna use this stopwatch to measure 10 seconds in which I'm gonna shoot photos individually with these three phones, and then at the end count how many photos they are each able to make. Now I'm using standard settings everywhere, which means of course here I'm using the advanced intelligence. I have the optimal processing, so this is quite important. I didn't touch any of the settings here on the Vivo, and of course it's absolutely stuck on the iPhones. So without any further ado, let's start with the S24 Ultra. Alright, 3, 4, 5. Alright, a few more to go, and 10. Okay, let's continue with the Vivo X100 Ultra, starting at 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, and I'm using, by the way, my left hand, guys, so I'm not giving any advantages to all those phones. 6, 7, I think I missed one, 8, 9, okay, alright, just I think almost the same, maybe just 5 milliseconds more. And now, last but not least, let's start with the iPhone in 3, 2, 1, let's start. Okay, iPhone 2, alright, 4 seconds, 5, almost there, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The iPhone is also done, and now let me take the phones on my review table and let's do the counting. So I'm gonna start with the S24 Ultra, then I'm gonna count the Vivo X100 Ultra, and of course again the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now guys, this ain't a scientific method, so just enjoy this video as a funny video. Well, of course, why not also just take this into consideration? So 52 shots were made with the S24 Ultra. Now let's check the Vivo. As I said, this is no scientific approach, so again, it's just for the fun, but also would give us an indication what has happened. So when you initiate a photo, this uses the storage, also the RAM. The CPU is pretty much the whole thing, and we now only see 36 pictures on the Vivo. Now let's check on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And we have 40 photos with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I do believe the winner here is the S24 Ultra, 52 shots, second place, 40 photos with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and 36 photos with the Vivo X100 Ultra. Now I just want to show you something, guys, because I know you're gonna ask. So if we get inside the intelligent optimization, yes, the maximum here was selected. The scene optimizer was off, so this might have been also a factor. And I want to also show you the camera assistant. So in the camera assistant, I have the auto HDR, and I don't have the auto lens switch function off. Now I did this video also a while ago, and a lot of you said, listen, we need to check the individual samples because it might be that some of the phones are shooting more, but then the quality is worse. So now let's try to check the quality. Okay, I'm just gonna pick some random pics. By the way, here see autofocus was there on some of those pics. All right, I think here the focus actually is here with the peaches. Yeah, you can see that the S24 Ultra did probably the best job here. I just clearly focused on the Spider-Man, and the Vivo was focusing a bit more on the center, but just because the phone was placed in the center. And I think that the iPhone is also producing some nice results. So again, this is not a comparison of the photo. This is just to see if all three phones were able to just take normal shots, which I do believe they did. So again, the winner in this test is the S24 Ultra. Then the second place goes to the iPhone, and then the third place goes with the Vivo. Also something I want to share with you, the picture size on the S24 Ultra. On the Vivo we have 3.9 megabytes, and the file size on the iPhone is less with 2.2 megabytes. Again, this was meant to be a funny video, but why also not use this as an indication? Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.